Everybody wants to have robots work for them, but nobody wants to program them. And with our software, you don't have to. So you want your robots to maybe clean up the streets. How would you formulate that as an incentive? And how do you break it down into maybe smaller incentives that are sort of easy to program? And how do you construct like a hierarchy of incentives to get the behavior you want? We had some reshuffling of ideas, and of course it leads to a little bit of anxiety and stress. But I think today we really kept up in the night basically and made some good progress. We spoke with some Jedis basically, and they made us see things a little bit different light. And it was really, sort of a little bit of a shift. First we had the idea that our robots are seeing the world as an energy field. But then sort of while we were discussing this with the Jedis, basically we came to the conclusion together with them that it's just one of the ways to see the world. It's basically one of the incentives to have the robot be judged on or rewarded on. And that sort of brought the ball rolling and thought there's many incentives you can think of. And why not look at that? And today really have the time to put the details in and make it really nice story-wise, and also the software. And also our software now supports finding the right incentives for your robot form. An incentive framework for robots is nice, but how do you link it to the real world? How do you create these incentives? So we really need to start rethinking how we do agriculture, how we do transport, how we do cleaning streets, how we do package delivery, of course, how we do space flight, aeroplanes, you can name it. Everything that's big can be reduced to smaller robots, basically. Yeah. The best thing is that people are really sort of saying spontaneously, I'm really excited about my own idea and I want to continue doing it. And that's really the spirit we have in our teams. So I think that's the best spirit you can have, basically. People being enthusiastic about the idea.